Good day everyone, and also to you sir. I'll be discussing my topic regarding the operational management, team leadership, and development. From the word team, T is together, A is everyone, A is achieves, and more, M is more. So, operational management, team leadership, and development. So, first, first is, what is a team? A team is a small number of people with complementary skills who are committed to a common purpose, performance, goals, and approach for which they are mutually accountable. So, team is defined as a group of people who perform interdependent tasks to work toward accomplishing a common specific objective. Like, for example, this picture, example as a team. And another example of a team is if we have three workers together to solve a problem at work, share ideas, or combine their strength to find the best solution. Next, leadership is an important skill in all industries. At a various levels, you require a variety of specific skills to become an effective leader. So, leadership is the ability of an individual or a group of people to influence and guide followers or members of an organization, society, or a team. So, leadership or leader, so siya ang in a company, for example, in a company, siya ang mag-guide sa mga employee during sa working during sa production. So, what is leadership? Leadership defined. Leadership is a process whereby an individual influences a group of individuals to achieve a common goal by Northouse 2007. So, this is the example of leadership. So, from leadership, so, ang leadership, so, naa siya challenges. So, ang challenges is something new and difficult which requires great effort and determination. Then, next to challenges is the motivation or pag-motivate. So, motivation is the process that initiates, guides, and maintain goal-oriented behavior. Next is the strategy. Strategy is a set of plans intended to achieve something. Or next is the teamwork. So, teamwork is the collaborative effort of a group to achieve a common goal. Next is the vision. So, vision is to plan the future with imagination, and also the goal. So, goal is an idea of a future or intention. And the last is the management. So, this is the example of the leadership. So, leadership is a team effort by Josie Bass 2003, or ang team effort sheets kanang pagpaningkamot sa usa ka team. So, next is, what is a team leadership? Any team member can perform the critical leadership functions to assist the current effectiveness of the team. So, this is the example of a team leadership. So, every team member naa siya tagtag sa ka team leader nga maoy mag-guide as a leader. So, team leadership or a team leader is the ability to guide or inspire and motivate a group of individuals to work together toward a common goal. So, team leadership or team leaders place considerable emphasis on team building and then evaluates their own performance on basis on how will they develop the team. So this is the picture. So first is who can do it. So who can do it, or kinsay makahimo niini. So from who can do it to business environmental. From business environmental, what needs to be done? So unsay angay buhaton. So need siya og organization. From organization down to how it can be done. So kinsay makahimo niini. From how it can be done, so individual potential. So tagsa-tagsa ang mahimo. From this is the example of the team leadership. So a team leader's belief is the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. Next, what a team leader must be and do. So unsay mga kinahanglan or unsay mga buhaton sa team leader. So first, give feedback and resolve conflict. So si team leader ang maghatag og feedback sa iyang mga ka-team member and resolve conflict. So siya ang sulbad sa mga kanang misunderstanding sa iyang mga employees. So next, help to keep team focused on the mission despite personality conflict, work style difference, and blockages by interpersonal conflict. So dapat magtinabangay ang focus siya sa iyang trabaho or sa iyang task despite sa iyang kaugalingon nga buluhaton. So build trust and inspire teamwork. So build trust and inspire teamwork is ang pagsalig og makadasig sa pagtinabangay. So coach team members or group members towards higher levels performance. So si coach team members of group members kay si padulong sa taas nga high level performance. Then facilitate and support the team decision. So mo facilitate o mo support sa mga unsay mga team decision basta as a teamwork. So what a team leader must be do. So expand the team. So palapdan ang mga team or padak-an ang mga team. So create a team identity. So maghimo sila og ilahang team identity, like for example kanang vision, mission. So mao na ang mahimo sa company. So anticipate ay mo na need sa company. So anticipate and influence change. Next is inspire the team toward higher levels of performance. Next is enable and empower group member to accomplish their work. So makahimo ang group member sa ilahang pag-accomplish sa ilahang trabaho. Then encourage team members to eliminate low value of work. So ilahang pagtangon ang mga walay bili sa trabaho. So this is the last topic of our report. Thank you.